spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the spider went up the water spout. This time in Filipino. Go! Liliit na gagamba palagi masaya. Dumating ang ulan, itinaboy sila. Sumikat ang araw, natuyo ang sanga. Liliit na gagamba palagi masaya. Thank you very much, sir. Look at the song. Liliit na gagamba palaging masaya. Dumating ang ulan, itinaboy sila. Sumikat ang araw, natuyo ang sanga. Maliliit na gagamba palaging masaya. Making a lesson plan, specifically UBD, is just making your spider web. Make it intricate, make it beautiful. Something, of course, that will liberate the minds of our students, empower them to the person we wanted them to be. Again, liliit na gagamba, palaging masaya.